e-zweld, America's most complete line of quality pipe joining materials, proudly made in the USA, exceeds ASTM standards and complies with all necessary NSF and IAPMO UPC industry listings. If your application need is turf management or irrigation, plumbing, industrial, pool and spa, or do-it-yourself, e-zweld has a suite of products to serve that need. Our site comprises over 45,000 square feet of manufacturing, warehouse, and office space. e-zweld supplies product to some of the largest retailers and plumbing wholesalers in the United States. Additionally, e-zweld exports products to countries in the thriving Latin America, Caribbean, Middle East, and European markets. Always an industry leader and innovator, e-zweld was the first and only company to produce a 3-year shelf life CPVC cement. As one of the largest manufacturers of solvent cements in the United States, e-zweld maintains particularly close ties with key suppliers of critical raw materials, ensuring continuous supply during difficult conditions. Our 60,000-gallon capacity above-ground concrete tanks are double-walled and nitrogen blanketed for purity and safety. All of e-zweld's state-of-the-art filling lines are designed with flexibility in mind, enabling us to rapidly service the smallest of orders up to container loads of quality products. e-zweld products are manufactured to be low volatile organic compounds, VOC, which helps to reduce the depletion of the ozone layer. In doing so, our company and our industry are helping to improve and promote a healthier global environment. All products are manufactured under tight quality control methods and meet or exceeds industry standards where applicable. Whether following the ISO 9000-based quality system, in-process inspection, product batch quality, batch verification and documentation, e-zweld strives to maintain the highest quality product to our customers and third-party testing organizations. Our goal is to process and deliver each order within 3 days of receipt. Working with our customers to be proactive to their needs, we utilize blanket orders with specific release dates in order to build their inventory, ensuring a just-in-time delivery. Our goal is clarity and understanding and response. e-zweld, proudly made in the USA, offers consistent products with uncompromising quality through continuous improvement and innovation. e-zweld, our name is our bond.